Hi everyone, so here is my 3D printed reflective microscope with an automotive base. I printed it with PLA and has aluminium frame on it. The design is really simple, has like two axes on the bottom and which moving the board, and the z-axis is moving up down like usually a CNC machine do. There is a metrology axis which move the grating, and in the future I would like to measure or just inspect some displays, ICs, like you can see on the board at the moment. There is a LCD on the left side. Under the objective is a OLED CCD, and on the tape is some ICs. I would like to home the machine first. I'm using the Dynamic drivers for the steppers, so it's basically almost silent. Now I'll move to the digital position after it homing the metrology axis. So it's done now. And it will move to the CCD. With this setup, I just would like to demo how the basic of the machine working. I'm not wrote the software for it yet, so there is still a good bit of work to do.